Okay.
Ciao, Oki, and welcome everybody to Oki Italy Solution Tour live from Rome. Hopefully you all know who I am. I'm Anna here in Italy, and I'm the product marketing manager from Oki Europe. And for the next hour, I'll be taking you through the event and the 9 solution gates that we have for you. To start with, let's talk to the godfather of this event, Oki Italy's Nicola Vargiu. Hi Nico, ciao,
Hi.
ciao.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. So, could you please tell everybody how did this event come about?
Yes, of course. Hello to everybody. This is we are in Rome, and this is the official launch event for new products, MC5, MC5, and the whole line. We started thinking to the launch event in June. We start thinking about some kind of product launch and speak about features, specs, and what every here Oki did. But we started to think also about the new market. The market is evolving, so we are speaking today about cloud, about smart. For example, everything today is smart.
Yeah.
We'll think about smart TV, smartphone. Today also cars. We have the application.
Dishwashers.
Dishwasher, yes. So we said, no, we need to do something different, really smart. But what is smart today? We don't think that is only a technology, because smart, somebody's telling that is connect to device and share information. But for us, smart is a new philosophy. So share information between the companies. In this case, we are sharing information, skills, experience with our technology partners.
So a new way of working,
yes.
in effect.
Yes.
Great. Okay, then let's talk about numbers a little bit. Last week we were in Milan,
yes.
So it was the first part of this event.
Yes.
How about numbers? How many attendees did we have in Milan?
It was really a good success. We usually, in the Oki launch event, we always said roughly 70 dealers.
So your partners, yeah.
Yes, but we involved all the technology partners, and we reached roughly 90 dealers and more than 130 people.
Yeah.
It was really big success. And on top of that, we started with the streaming like we are doing right now, and we had 50 live onboarding.
Yes.
And Gate 4, that's okay. Yes, that's live. And we had more than 50 people connected, companies connected to our event.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
So about 200 people overall in Milan last week.
Yes.
What about here today? What's your expectation today?
Today, right now we have more than 60 dealers, but we are expecting more than 100. There are people right now coming. We are in Rome, and I think we will reach 150 people in this event.
So basically 350 people overall. So that's a fantastic result.
Yes, we can say that. Let's finish, but yes.
So by changing the concept around and involving your partners and making your partners bring their partners,
yes,
you managed to get more people.
Yes, this is a new concept, not only to show product, but to show the product and solution. So our printer is a part of solution. So today, mainly, we are providing a new solution to our dealer channel.
Fantastic.
Yes.
And maybe just to end this session with, could you say a couple of words about the location? Where are we?
Yes, we try to reproduce the airport environment. You hear the voice, please, you are ready, you need to onboard. And we started in Milan. We are in a very old factory of a high place of the Second World War.
Yes.
Vicina Caproni. And now we are in Rome, that was in the Second World War again. It was a warehouse of military things. So always a high-level technology around Oki.
Okay, perfect. Let's go to the first gate.
Yes? Okay. Now we are moving to Watt Sprint Gate. Few seconds. Here we are.
Hi, Nicola.
Yes, waiting camera.
So here we are at the first gate.
Yes. Watt
hold on.
Sprint.
Okay, so
Okay.
Solution of the future today.
No? Oh, Giancarlo Cerrone is the owner of Watt Sprint company. They start to develop a very interesting platform 2 years ago, we can say.
1 year and a half. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Now it's a really nice platform.
thank you.
Yes. So, but please start with explain the video, your company, and what about first your company.
Sì, mi scuso, parlo in italiano.
Ok.
La nostra compagnia ha creato sul mio brevetto una piattaforma, quindi non una semplice soluzione, ma una piattaforma.
Okay, I try to translate. The main topic is that his company has important patents, so it's not a free open source, let me say, software, but there is some patent. And WOW is not a solution,
A simple solution.
but is a platform.
Yes. Quindi una vera e propria piattaforma che è sede essa stessa di verticalizzazioni e soluzioni. Quindi una piattaforma, come potete anche vedere
Ok.
qui dal display, che accetta le varie verticalizzazioni e soluzioni per il cliente.
Okay, so the main concept is starting from WOW platform. This is the screen. Okay. This is the screen of
Sorry.
MC7. So you can see that there is there is the WOW working,
Yes.
and based on that, there is a lot of functionalities, and they can create some customized function for vertical markets. This is the main purpose of WOW platform.
WOW Platform, le peculiarità di WOW Platform sono uno, l'estrema personalizzazione della multifunzione.
So they can create really vertical functionalities for all type of end user customer.
Yes, the second is l'informazione, quindi la seconda priorità è l'informazione alla rete, quindi la macchina che diventa mezzo, strumento di informazione alla propria rete, quindi alla rete del cliente.
Okay. So not only front end in order to keep some information from internet, but the device could create some link to internet in order to provide information as well. Okay. Can I have some example?
Sì, la terza situazione, la terza peculiarità è che WOW, oltre quindi a personalizzare, a informare, ma connette anche la rete, perché le macchine con la WOW c'è un collegamento machine to machine, quindi collegamento macchina a macchina.
Okay, it's the new innovative technology, so the two machines can speak, let me say, together. Okay, perfect. Have a look.
coming over to
Sì,
Can you?
the demo.
faccio vedere
Sì.
una personalizzazione.
Okay. What kind of vertical market
faremo una wow retail, facciamo vedere.
Yes, but for example, you have a lot. Wow Open, Wow Mini, Wow Consulting, Wow Educational, Wow Retail, Wow Retail. Okay. So starting Wow Retail.
Wow Retail è una soluzione studiata per Oki,
Ok. For Hockey people.
sì, dove noi qui andiamo a dare la password.
What we are doing now?
Stiamo entrando nella
The system,
wow,
ok.
quindi abbiamo una protezione.
Okay, authorizing in order to go into the system. Okay.
Possiamo vedere come risponde bene la macchina, l'apparecchiatura.
Yes, it's saying that the machine is really powerful and really responsive.
Quick response.
So, you can imagine that we are a retailer shop, for example, or a dealer.
Yes, yes.
We are hockey dealer, so if
Dove ha a disposizione qui sul display, direttamente dal display, delle brochure, dei cataloghi, dei
form,
dei
price list. Okay.
Okay.
So we can access directly to several kind of documents.
Yes.
Maybe the kind of documents are located, for example, in hockey.
Ok. Abbiamo qui nel display delle brochure, andiamo a fare la preview del documento.
Okay.
E qui possiamo vedere la preview del documento, ok, e eventualmente stampare, andare in stampa.
Okay.
Ok? E quindi andare poi in stampa per qualsiasi tipo di documento.
Okay. So any kind of document we can print.
Sì.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Giancarlo.
Grazie a voi dell'esperienza veramente positiva.
In English, I cannot translate.
Thank you to all for the really glad experience, the staff hockey, with the staff hockey. Thank you very much to all.
Okay. Thank you. Now,
Maybe a quiz at the end. Who can recognize this wonderful building in the panel?
Il quartier generale della hockey.
yes, headquarter of hockey. Okay. Let's move to the other gate. Now we are moving to
Gate number 2. Hello, Microsoft. Hi, here we come. So the second solution, we've got a partner company that is called MDS Consultancy. And the solution in question is Ysoft SafeQ. Now, Ysoft is a document management software from Czech Republic, and it's actually, we have some nice big installations on Ysoft in Czech Republic and Slovakia. Just to quote here, we have Slovak Railways, over 1,000 devices of MB7 running on Ysoft, and also Czech Post is a new and exciting project for us. But let's hear more from the people in question.
Today we have
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have an option to show you the live demo of SafeQ, which we are presenting here at the venue. So we can have a look on the work, on how we authenticate, what you can see on the screen, how we can do the mobile print. So all the things which are actually possible to do as a hands-on at this booth. Okay, so let's first. I come to the printer with print rooming. I'm able to print everywhere where I want. In my office, first floor, second floor, everything is under one queue, so I can go to any printer. So I have a badge which I'm using for the entrance into my office, which I'm using for other services, and I use the same badge. I use it here. I authenticate myself. Okay, I'm here. Now on the screen we touch the Save Queue part, and what I see is I see the jobs which are waiting, which could be printed. I could even have a look on the information what is said about the job. I can see the title of the job. I can see who was sent. It was actually me who sent the job. I can see how many pages the job has. I see that it is color. Otherwise, if it's black and white, it shows me the number of pages. It goes through the secure queue, the day when it was sent, and also the price of the print, which is preset. The pricing is preset before. Okay, so waiting list. Here I have an option for the prints which were already completed, or I can even have the prints which I print them quite often, so I want to have them in the list, so I don't need to have a look or resend them again. I've also option for the scanning, so I just put the scanning one, and the scan is directly sent to my email as it is set it in this setting. What we can do, we can even show the mobile print. So, just a second. Yeah, what we can show you is that there is an option to do the print from the mobile. Mobile print is integrated in the solution. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can. Okay. Open my mail and I can attach a photo. Okay. Can send an email with the photo to the mailbox dedicated to Ysoft. And after a few seconds, a few seconds, the mail will be present at the Ysoft queue. Okay. Swipe the badge. If you want, is okay. is alive, okay, and I can check and view my document that I photographed, okay, and release. Immediately.
One question. Something about Ysoft, and do you have some important installation in Europe and with the Oki brand?
Yes, of course. We have several installations. The installations which I would really highlight are the installation in Slovak Republic, which is Slovak Railway, and in the Czech Republic, where there is a check post. Yeah, these are really large installations done with Oki, with the new Oki devices, if I'm not mistaken, and the installation went well. People or the users are using the installations, so we are collecting, the Slovak Railways, we are collecting the feedback where SafeQ was used with new Oki devices.
Diana, thank you very much. Enjoy the event. Bye. Thank you very much. Now we move to the other gate. Anna, where are we going?
We're going to MDS Electronics and Cartidis.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
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 So the third solution
Yes.
is called
No.
Cartedis, and what they do is that they offer a kind of complete
Okay.
solution.
So-
Quick
Okay.
change. Okay, we
Change.
swap. So we hop over to number 4.
Yes. I don't know if it's
Yes.
number 4.
Yes.
Yes, perfect.
Local value and paper cut.
Okay.
Devo usare il microfonino?
Yes, tell about something about local value.
I can start.
Yes, you can.
Okay, my name is Savio Viglia, and I'm a president of Glocal Value. We are an independent company recognized by the leading printer manufacturers for the high skill and high quality of our professional services, analysis, integration, and support. High skill in system and develop. And experience gained in managing larger projects, and the great passion we put on work are the assets on which we have built our reputation of the market. Over the years, we have created also a valuable portfolio of solutions, among which standouts Papercut MF, that we had the duty and the honor to successfully introduce in Italy and in Switzerland, Italian languages, as the Papercut Authorized Solution Center. Now I give the floor to the Papercut EMEA pre-sales consultant Mike Barner, who will introduce you to the Papercut MF solution. Please.
Thank you, Savio. It is first of all a great pleasure to be here at the Oki Solutions Tour. Obviously, we are a worldwide company based in Melbourne and Australia. We also have offices in Portland, America, and obviously in London in the UK, covering the EMEA region. We work totally with our authorised solution centres, of which Glocal Value is one of those. We also support directly our manufacturers through development and technology to enable our solutions beyond all the different embedded platforms. So people say, why do people want Papercut? Many reasons. There's 20% of what Papercut can offer that most people actually use, but everybody uses a different 20%. Some of the more common reasons we see now are things like secure printing, find me printing, mobile printing, and the ability to track all copying and printing for environmental use. So, some of our customers, big customer names, Harvard University, Coca-Cola, Cambridge University in the United Kingdom, United Nations, and very recently the Miami-Dade College, which is the biggest education establishment in the world. So that is Papercut.
Yes. So I'd like to add that in our concept it's really important to have let me say, not distributor, but we have a kind of a local value that help all the Oki channel in order to provide the right knowledge in order for sales proposal, delivering and maintenance. So to have this kind of big project, to have the support of important companies is very important. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy the event. So
then we can go back.
Okay.
Back to number 3.
Somebody was missing.
But she has been found, no
Okay.
problem.
Yes.
So now we go over to Cartedis. Why don't you stand
Okay.
here, Nico? So
No?
Cartedis, just as a quick introduction, they offer a complete solution for the control and management of prints and scans, particularly in like universities, libraries, these kind of places that are kind of unattended. There's no salesperson standing there. Okay,
Sure.
let's learn more.
Hi, I'm Lisa from MDS Electronics, and welcome to gate number 8.
Yes.
Yes. MDS is a company that have 30-year experience from payment systems payment system from office automation, vending, or car washing sector. NDS offer an important solution for payment. For example, a coin validator. A coin validator CM4000, or for example, a card reader, smart card reader for this TC11N. Also, we have a management software, Gespage is a software for management devices, many devices,
Yes.
a float of devices,
Yes.
okay? And in educational and copy service, today offer these options.
Yeah. Very important customers here in Italy. You have a long story. You have a long story, so we think you have a big customer.
We have just a moment.
That's live.
Sì, yeah. La base NATO, for example,
Military industry.
military industry of Solbiate, or University Parma.
What?
University Parma,
University.
okay,
Important.
or la NABA of Milan, for example.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much to Medies to join the solution tour. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. And move to the other gate.
Very exciting. Next
Yes,
gate.
they're boarding, so we need to be quick.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. Next one is
Team system.
team system. Oh,
Here are our friends from Team Systems. Now this next this next gate represents a really exciting opportunity for Oki.
we landed in Sardinia.
We love it. Now, Team System is a really big, huge software house in Italy, and they are working on a very interesting collaboration with Oki. So really pay attention to this one. This is quite unique and great. Okay.
Marco.
Ciao Nicola.
So, please speak and tell us about something team system.
Io mi scuso di non capire tanto l'inglese e saperlo parlare ancora meno. Okay.
Okay, I will translate, or you want to speak this chart in English?
Allora,
It's really easy.
ok. Team System è una software house assolutamente leader in Italia.
Okay, so the team system is one of the most important of the company for software.
Ok. Do due numeri, 2000 dipendenti,
2,000 people, 2,000 employees,
800 dealer,
800 dealers, and really important.
più o meno 220.000 clienti tra aziende e professionisti.
So a big installed base, 220,000 of end user customers. It's big, really important company.
Assolutamente sì.
Yes, and let's say that 2 months ago, maybe in July, me and Marco we were drinking a cup of coffee and we had a really nice idea. So, explain about this idea.
Allora, questo è un progetto che è in corso di lavorazione, quindi work in progress.
Work in progress, yes.
Abbiamo pensato di utilizzare
But probably I will try directly in English so everybody's looking, okay? In English. And okay. And okay, start with example. You have to imagine that we are in a factory, small factory.
Shall I be the
Piccolo.
factory worker?
Yes.
Okay, I can be the factory worker.
Yes.
Okay.
So in the factory,
Oops, sorry.
there is a worker. In the factory is a station. In the station there is usually one PC, one touch panel. There is a scanner. There is some reader. In this case, we have barcode reader, right? And what's happened when the worker
Come to
starts?
work.
Yes.
Grab this.
Yes.
I don't have a card. Let's say
Not
this
the
is my
card.
card. I scan it.
Okay.
So he knows
Authenticate.
that this is me working at this station.
Yes.
Yes.
E ci siamo
Okay.
pronti, nuovo
Then,
palco, nuove
What's happened?
destinazioni.
There is a printout of Anna.
Percorso arancione,
You have to work.
gate
Few things.
5.
This is my job for
Wall
today.
Street.
Correct.
Wow,
Yes. So you have to produce this kind of things.
gate 8.
And after your job, or if you need some, for example, some break, or you need some help, or you need some other kind of information, you can go direct to the touch panel and make some query to the ERP system.
Per 6
After that, you finish your job.
Pronti al palco.
No?
Grazie.
You finish your job, you can say, okay, I finished my job,
Yes.
and go out, I go home.
Yes.
But probably you need to make some report.
Yes.
And you can use our multifunction and, for example, OCR functionality in order to store immediately your report. Yes. So this is a really innovative solution. So in production, change or all the device we have in the station with only one.
Yes.
Benefits are a lot.
Yes.
First of all, this machine is connected to a big ERP, so a lot of data you can collect, you can send, and can you receive. And you have only one point, one device, one electric point, and this machine can have also has Wi-Fi module, so you don't need even the LAN cable. So really, really, really interesting. They are starting to produce the software, and probably next year we will have the first prototype. Yes. Can you tell us about some of your big customer? So this is the chart. Yes. So in order to say that, so small companies and big companies, because team system can work, can operate with till the big enterprises. Vertical market, fashion, manufacturing, commerce, and service. So it's really, really complete. Yes, horizontal solution.
So this one falls into the category of manufacturing, I believe, this solution.
Yes. Thank you very much, Marco. See you in Sardinia.
Okay.
Everybody.
Okay,
So,
then what do we
Anna.
have next?
Yes.
Next is DocBox.
DocBox.
Okay. Just
DocBox.
other side.
Let's go to DocBox. So, oui. Okay. And it's okay.
So the next solution is once again MDS consultancy and a solution called DocBox.
Buongiorno Riccardo.
Ciao, Nicola. Would you like to do it in English?
No, in English,
Okay,
in English.
great.
So, yes.
Okay.
So, please tell us about MDS consultancy,
Okay.
and you are really, really nice there about DocBox.
Okay, thank you, Nicola. I'm Riccardo Gini. I'm the founder of MDS Consultancy. We are a distributor of software solutions like SafeQ, WebSoft SafeQ, AQTrack, and more other solutions for this kind of market, printing market, MPS marketing. We developed a solution that is called DocBox. It's a bundle. This is the DocBox. It's a bundle between a document management system, an interface developed specifically for the Oki devices, and this hardware box that makes it simple to be sold and to be proposed from the indirect channel. Okay. DocBox comes with some licenses inside. It comes with the installation just done by our team. The customer needs only, or the reseller needs only to plug the cable and start it to use it. Would you like to show something?
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
This is the specific interface that we developed for DocBox. The document management system has been adapted to the screen of the Oki device. You can print or scan your document. If you like to print, you can search document based on the searching keys or document family. For example, you can search for a contract, for an invoice, for a delivery note. Depends on what you need to print. You can search for a contract, for example. You search this one, press next, and then you can search for example, for name of the customer, or you can search for the date of the document. So you can have a simple search, so you can write here what you need, okay? Or you can do a simple search and search all the documents. Now it appears the print job, and you can print a document from the document management system.
Very nice.
It's brilliant. Print. Okay. Now it's downloading the file and print it directly from the document management system.
Document management.
Yeah, exactly. The same you can do for the scanning. When you put the document on the scanner, you can upload to the document management system directly without passing from a PC or any other application. You pass directly to the document management system, and you can put the searching key that you need in order to store in the proper way.
Everything in a small box.
Yeah.
So, what kind of dealers or end-user customer are you looking for?
We plan to sell it and to propose it to the small and medium business. In Italy, there are a lot of small and medium customers, but usually it's really difficult for the partners to sell a system like this. So the box should be easy, like to sell a printer or a fax card. So should be more attractive for the partners, for the Oki partners.
And could you maybe say a couple of words about the collaboration with Oki?
Yeah, we started the collaboration with Oki 2 years ago. We are present to work with the Oki team in Italy. We support Oki also on the Sandis and the Abby installations, and we support also now with the SafeQ installation or deploying on a small or big customer. So we work in a good way with Oki.
And what about this solutions tour? What do you think about it?
I think this is the only way to sell solutions, or better, to drive the message to the partners that we need to move the attention only from the hardware perspective to a solution perspective. So I think this is the only way. So we really appreciate this kind of event.
So you'll come back next year for the 2017 solutions
Thank
tour.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Riccardo.
Then let's go look at something financial, DLL.
Financial, yes, because not everything is device.
Simple, just here.
Just here, yes. But
you are standing in front
when we sell...
we got a Tamaru-san here in the way. Tamaru-san, we are doing a demo.
Tamaru-san. Everybody knows math.
Matteo.
Matteo.
Well, you can be.
So,
yeah.
it's the moment of financial services. Because,
Okay, turn around. Okay, sorry.
okay. No,
Are
you
we
want to
good?
present.
This is this was the best side.
Okay.
That's the reason why I turned around.
Wait, you need a microphone.
Okay.
So we have to
Please.
switch one.
You change again.
We change again.
No.
Great.
How you change?
Okay.
Okay, so when we sell, we are selling a solution and devices, but at the end we need some else tool. Please explain about financial services.
Yes, for sure. For DLL is one of the most important player in the world of the financial services. We work with a lot of vendors. Oki is a special partner for us, and we are working on with Oki through the channel partners. We give them the possibility to use our financial services for operating lease and financial lease. Right now, today, we presented, we showed to the partners the possibility to give to the customers of them the chance to sign digital contract of operating lease and financial lease through our application called DLL Connect, and I think that is very amazing approach for the market, because we solved some problem about the documentation, signing of the contract, and we make this process very simple, very smart, and very easier.
So it's very important. So our dealers don't waste time in order to collect information, to prepare. But at the end, we need always a paper contract. We need to print.
Yes, we need to print. We need to print because we have to archive the contract. Every customer wants to archive the paper of the contract for sure. So we can print for sure the contract. But at the end, it's more important for us to give the chance to the partners to give the process more easier than before.
Okay, can we have some easy demo, or it's long?
It's very long. I want to involve Davide because I don't have the tablet right now. I don't know where is
Davide. So
just a second
to have a very
no. We need the tablet.
Tablet to have a quick demo.
Quick demo.
Then 1 minute.
You can show to
1 minute of contract.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's very easy because, as we said, Davide right now has uploaded on the account of the partner the digital contract. He opened the contract and showed to the customer where he have to sign. He have to sign. He showed to the camera when will the customer sign the contract. We need 6 times to sign the contract. Very smart, very easy. The system check the signing for sure, and after that we can send direct to the system the fully contract signed. DLL receive our contract in digital format.
Of course, you are selling printers. A dealer is selling printers.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes, because we insert on the space dedicated to the email address, certified email address, and the system send the contract signed directly to the printer. And Davide will show us the contract signed.
It's Tennis Explorer.
Yeah.
So DLL is using Sandisk Explorer.
Yeah. Our pin. I did the login.
No? Ah, okay. No, please.
I did the login, and on my device I search the contract, and now the contract will be print or archived on our system.
Okay. Okay, let's print.
Let's print. Please,
Yes.
print.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just
Okay.
processing. Yeah. Should be coming along shortly.
Coming?
Printing is coming.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah. Just takes a little while. Yep.
Wow.
That's okay.
Perfect.
Great.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful.
All
Always
pages.
print contracts.
For sure.
The longer contract, the better.
Yes.
This case only.
More pages, please.
More pages. Okay. Okay. It's too simple.
Thank you.
Device
May-
like a print. Process is easier, but
Okay.
we print again.
Maybe
Okay.
as a last comment, would you like to say something about the Solutions Tour? How has this experience been for you guys?
I think that was amazing. We had a chance to meet a lot of partners that we never had in our partners environment, and I think that, and I can say thank you to Rocky to invite us to this
You're welcome.
fantastic place and
Very welcome.
a fantastic
Also
organization.
location,
Yes, for sure. Yes, for sure. And thank you again, Nicola. Good job. Very great job.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, and see you next Solution Tour.
Yes.
Enjoy. So,
Then let's
No.
go kind of home.
let's go home.
Yeah.
Let's go means
Let's go Sundays.
let's go hockey. Let's go hockey. So,
So we've been very happy to see that the booth has been full of people. So maybe if we say first that each gate has 12 seats, because we didn't
Yes.
really explain about this yet.
no, we didn't explain. So,
And there's been these demos running once an hour, once every 1.5 hours. And Rosario here has been doing a great job and full seated demo sessions every time.
We have how many time we have for
we have 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Wow,
But
very short time.
Okay, Rosario, probably nobody know. Somebody doesn't know. Rosario is from Italy team. So Rosario, you have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Explain about let me see one thing more about Sandisk. But I think a lot of our colleagues in the other opcos they already know about Sandisk. So
They don't, they should be ashamed.
yes, so
yes.
but also explain the new functionality.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Hi to everyone. First of all, sorry for my English. Unfortunately,
Perfect.
I don't speak so well.
Yes, you
English.
do.
Okay, we have just 5 minutes to introduce you the main new feature of Sandisk Explorer. New feature. The first one is free of charge. It's embedded in the light version of Sandisk Explorer. It's developed especially for retail needs. It's document box. Catalog of documents that enables retailers to produce centrally their signage for the point of sales in order to enable the employee of the point of sales to print directly from the panel of the multifunction or printer the correct and updated signage for the point of sales. Another new feature for SanDisk Explorer 2 is the Flex Connector, that is a steroid workflow for digitalization of document. It enables to create output for digital document, but also metadata. For example, XML that we can say as an ID card for the document, and it's the link between the digitalization processing and the third-party application that are inside the organization, like archiving system or ERP or logistic software and so on. The third main feature of the new version of SanDisk Explorer is the Out Manager. It's the accounting and the pull printing platform based on SanDisk Explorer architecture. Thanks to Output Manager 2, we can save money, control access to the printer and multifunction inside an organization. We can also reporting all activity related to the printer, like which department has the major cost of printing inside the organization, or we can profiling the user to enable them to print only black and white, or color, or small printing, or large printing, and so on. Then we can enable the pull printing feature for multifunction and printer inside our organization, and this environment give also more security and more flexibility to the management of the output inside an organization. Let's go to see few live demo. The first one is related to document boxes, and the second one to pull printing. We have some RFID card to authenticate the user on the devices. The first one is a user that wants to print signage for its point of sales, authenticate himself on the multifunction. We go inside the document box functionality. The display of multifunction shows us all the signage updated and ready for the printing. We select the correct file, click to start, and in a couple of seconds the file is ready to be printed. Just 1 second for the printing. Okay. Okay. This is the file. Now the last live demo is related to pull printing functionality. Log out from this user. Okay, we now authenticate the user with another card. Go to the SanDisk Explorer application. Go to the print button. The new version of SanDisk Explorer 2 have different icons on the display. One of them is Spooler. Spooler is the virtual queue which contains all the documents the user send to print from mobile or from a client to a virtual queue. After authentication on the devices, we can access to the spooler, and the spooler contains all the queue ready to be printed. select one document, just to push the print button, and the job is ready for the print. I hope to...
Thank you, Rosario. The last question. Last week and this week, overall about 350 people who would have heard your great demo. What's the feedback been on Sendis overall?
Sendis had very good feedback about our session in Milan. The new functionality are very interesting for the guest. So we hope to grow with the new feature with our customer.
Fantastic. Thank you, Rosario.
Thank you, Anna.
And then we just have one station left. Nicola.
Yes,
Yes. Do you want to say something more? We got one station left.
Yes, one station is waiting us. I was checking how many countries are following this event. It seems 9.
Okay.
A lot. So I was checking, but it's true. Okay, let's move to the last one. This is really, really interesting.
Yes. Well, maybe it was.
Okay.
So the last one that we have on the agenda is a company is called Technosoft, and the solution is called LIT, and it's all about security.
Yes. Anna, it's first time that we speak printers and security. But today in the solution tool we have a really, really innovative technology performed by Technosoft Group, and they are developers. They developed already a really important application based on data security, because as is going to explain Giuseppe, now all the people, hackers, let me say, found that maybe the printers is the entry point for the data in the big corporates. Giuseppe is the owner of Technosoft Group, so please try to explain us who is Technosoft Group and about LIT solution and what you did with our device. Sì. Okay, this is the microphone.
Okay. Here. Thank you. Welcome to OKI 2016 Solution Tour. Now we're going to show you our LIT virtualization system. And here you can see how our company is organized. So we have research and development, sales, marketing, hardware development, software development, delivery, and these are the major Italian and European customers. We have customers in many different countries like Italy, Switzerland, Malta, England, France, Spain, etc. In this diagram you can see, you can see the main areas where our technology is applied. So yeah, for example, logistic and custom, banking and finance, etc. So what is LIT? LIT is a new original virtualization system. So with LIT device you can remove your personal computer, remove your server, and by this I mean removing management server and also other servers like accountability and tracking employees' presence, all by using the same software feature. So how does it work? Through Lit device, you can easily connect monitor, keyboard, and mouse, using them like personal computer. This device cannot be attacked, so it doesn't include hard disk, and it doesn't save any kind of data. It doesn't need an antivirus system, and it works with a safe operating system. Lit device is connected to the Lit data center through a dedicated VPN. So you can use iOS or Android-based mobile equipment like a Lit device. In this case, the mobile device becomes a simple connector. Mobile equipments are connected to the Lit data center by a private mobile encrypted connection that prevents any cyber attack. And this summarizes what we said before. So we have a monitor, data compression, data encryption, and it works with a private network. On the right, we have the same thing for mobile devices. And it is important to underline that the mobile connection uses a private channel just like the wired connection. We had the need to find a partner like Oki because recently most of the attacks to IT security are aimed to peripheral devices like multifunction, scanner, printers, and so on. So to solve this problem, we have integrated Lit technology with Oki devices by encrypting data and making it safe. This is an example of our anti-malware security system. And what are the expected benefits? So as regards to hardware benefits, we have elimination of physical personal computer and servers, no hardware obsolescences, no hardware disposal problem, and so on. For software benefits, we have migration of the software used by the customer and integration of new software. VoIP integrated system, intelligent video surveillance, and optional integration of server and web applications. No costs for licensing system, and for security benefits we have anti-spam for undesired or dangerous emails and perimeter security network. So for management advantages, we can see savings as regards to a medium-term investment for the purchase of traditional client personal computer, reduction of energy costs both in terms of consumption and of infrastructure of uninterruptible, reduced management for help desk problems, and more beneficial licensing systems. You can see here some of the most important additional add-on for the Lit system. So yeah, like security, video surveillance, and so on.
Attenzione, prego.
As you can see in this picture, for Lit we built a RFID system that allows to control the goods.
Local value, destinazione paper cut e al gate 3.
So as you can see here,
gestione documentale. Gate 3 in system, percorso azzurro. Gate 9, global value, percorso verde.
So, okay, as you can see here, for Lit we built an RFID system that allows to control the goods. And, yeah. So that's it. Thank you for your attention. Ok, non so come è messo questo. Ok.
Thank you very much. So Giuseppe, we saw important name of companies because you are working where the data is really, really important, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And let's prepare for the next solution tour. And enjoy and
see you next year.
See you next year. Yes. Okay.
Thank you. And that concludes our tour of the gates. How do you feel right now? Tired?
Very tired, but very, very good.
Yes.
Everybody is really interested on Oki and partner technologies.
Yes.
So I hope also the person that are following us, they can find something of interesting. Of course, this may.
I'm sure they can contact you if they found something interesting, or if they've got questions, or about the event, how it all came together.
Yes, that's really important. Yes, smart is collaboration between companies. Yes.
Exactly.
So from Solution Tour, that's all.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Ciao a tutti.
Ciao ciao.